Some olive trees live upwards of 2,000 years. Olives and its byproducts are enjoyed all over the world. Olive growing is an important agriculture activity in Italy, and harvest is generally in the month of October. Workers lay fine nets under the olive trees and use rakes to shake olives to the ground. Machines make separating leaves and twigs fairly easy. There are still some places that use the old-style grinding stone to turn the olives into a pulp. Where we live, we saw these beautiful olives growing in the spring and decided to try picking our own and curing them when they were ready. We were looking forward to this new experience. 𝗓𝗁 simply used a step stool to reach as far as he could to pick enough to make our first batch of Sicilian olives. 𝗓𝗁 added 2 handfuls of coarse salt to unwashed olives to start the curing process. That's it. The city of Trapani is about an hour west of here, and we had a great time as we toured the salt flats and learned about the process of salt mining. We bought a few different types of salt in Trapani. Now, some people brine their olives in salt water, and some choose to cut their olives to aid in the brining. There are so many variations. The salt extracts liquid from the olives, the inside becomes tender, and the skin gets wrinkled. We stirred our batch of olives every day for over a week. You can separate the green olives from the darker ones and cure them longer if you want. It's a simple process. It's basically salt and cure, rinse and dry, and oil and store. As an aside, a popular American brand of olive oil costs $18.73 for 2 liters of extra virgin olive oil. Our local Sicilian extra virgin olive oil is 75% cheaper. We pay €30 for 5 liters, and it's a 0-kilometer food, meaning grown, harvested, and sold locally. It was a small batch that will last us a few months, but we sure enjoyed it. Our olives turned out great, so delicious, soft, and sweet as candy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.